Town Rangers hosting the Sutherland Sharks in match day 4 of the NPL New South Wales men's competition. The sun setting on Popondetta Park. Sharks being released, cut inside, near post, saved by Fenella. Nice turn from the former Wollongong Wolf at the byline. Down in the box, penalty. What can the veteran deliver? Madonis sends the keeper the right way. It's a goal for the Sharks. Makes no mistake, does Madonis. And the visitors are ahead, 1-0. Cooper Koskeri, Kamada presented as a short option. Ball goes towards the back post. Now counter-attacking opportunity here for the Sharks. O'Shea running into space. Will he get played? They go wide for Andrew towards the box. Goes across the keeper. Curry plays long. Kamada an option. Flag stay down. Kamada cutting inside. Tees up Roberts. Now Stewart. Can he pull the trigger? Second time around like a bullet. Curry. Barbosa. Kamada got released like he wanted to. Goes across, Stewart to settle himself. And finished nicely for Mount Druitt. Took a deflection. It doesn't matter. And Mount Druitt are back on level pegging. Jack Stewart, he's third for the year. Mount Druitt through Koskeri. Delivers towards the box. Buzanis goes high. Almost mistimed it. Down goes the keeper. Barbosa, open goal. Elrich tries. Good blocking. The crosses have the Sharks. Ahmed Shaibu. James Andrew gets in behind. Can he finish? Sliding in. He most certainly does. James Andrew putting the Sharks back in front. Great counter-attack. Perfect pass in behind. And Andrew's so quick. Here comes Callahan. Trying to dance around defenders. Callahan! Deflection! Tipped onto the bar and away it goes. Madonna strives for home. Fenella got his legs in front on the volley. Sullivan, he's tried the through ball. Couldn't quite get to Kamada. Here come the Sharks. Trying to swoop. Callahan. This will be a miraculous goal if he can. Stewart. Puts it inside. Cardozo just on the field. 3 years ago, De Silva absolutely launched one to the top corner for Blacktown City when he was in Blacktown City colours. Here's Madonis getting onto his preferred right foot. Dancing around the D. Playing Smith. One-on-one with the keeper. Strikes at home. And gets one over the old club. But it was all Madonis. Put him down for the assist. He's assisting everybody in season 2022. Kamada on the left. Stays in. Beats his man, all ends up. Kamada along the carpets. Juash. Try to get beyond the keeper. Buzanis couldn't keep that last one out. And Mount Druitt have one back with limited time only. Cox beats Elrich. Callahan to strike from distance, but taken safely from